People living in Hanoi are familiar with the street crimes like these, and behind the crimes are interesting stories.
Though my shop is located deep in a small alley, it's always crowded. It's probably due to the fact that the snails are delicious, but some are just curious about the sound of my violin. I used to play for the Youth Union's music band in Hanoi. Then I got married. My wife sold snails. In my free time, I take the violin out and play it. I consider myself an artist, though that sounds a bit prestigious. But my wife is a real artist in the culinary field. When two artists in different fields stand on the same stage, it is very normal and happy. There are delicious dishes that tempt people to find them, but there are also dishes that find customers through unique and special selling methods.
I only ring a bell to sell food.
I have to find you everywhere to buy peanuts.
Did you hear the bell?
Yes, I heard the bell.
My father was old and couldn't speak loud, so he relied on a bell to notify people.
Sound is considered an important element for street vendors to attract customers. If they cannot use their voice due to health reasons, the substitute must also be audible sounds with rhythm and beats.
These sounds don't just remind people of the food, but as time passes, also fill them with memories.
Sounds are available in every city. Sounds like these are probably only found in Hanoi, only in Vietnam. From the sounds people make while earning a living and with compelling stories behind them, gradually people will find them as beautiful as a charming piece of music, and the street vendors will be considered as artists then.